baby, you look great. Let me see your chef outfit. Are you making food over there?
Oh yeah.
What you making? Can you smile for the camera? Say cheese.
Yeah.
Are you making a silly face? You better make a regular face.
Hey.
Well, Mommy's not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. You want to come say hi?
Hi.
Say I'm dressed up like a chef.
I'm dressed up like Pop.
Goodbye.